If you have itchy scalp, dandruff, flakes, dry scalp, damaged strands, this video is for you. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory, antifungal properties as well as vitamin A, C, E and B12 that can help you curb all your scalp problems in just 3 days. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a potent aloe vera leave-in conditioner that will take your hair game from 0 to 100. It's safe to say we are in aloe vera season and it's been blooming around our compound. Aloe vera is 90% water, so it instantly adds moisture to dry, brittle hair and helps maintain softness. It strengthens hair and reduces breakage because it contains vitamin A, C, E and B12, which helps repair damaged strands, strengthen weak hair and reduce snap and breakage during combing. Aloe vera increases blood circulation to the scalp and contains enzymes that helps remove buildup. Aloe vera also has anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties, so it helps with itchy scalp, flakes, mild dandruff, and other scalp infections. Aloe vera also helps define coils naturally. It also helps to balance scalp pH, which is supposed to be between 4.5 to 5.0. Shea butter is a rich nutrient-dense fat that deeply moisturizes natural hair and helps seal in hydration for days. Glycerin is a powerful humectant that attracts moisture from air into the hair, thereby keeping it hydrated. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft more deeply than most oils, helping reduce protein loss and strengthening hair from within. Sweet almond oil is lightweight and adds shine without weighing hair down. It also softens the hair strands and reduces frizz. Germall Plus is a broad-spectrum preservative that prevents bacteria, yeast and mold from growing in water-based hair products. All measuring instruments ready. Measure out 3 tablespoons of shea butter. For coconut oil, glycerin, sweet almond oil, you are going to be using 1 tablespoon for each of them. Whenever you are making a water and oil based product and you want it to combine perfectly, then there must be an introduction of emulsifying wax. Emulsifying wax binds oil and water together to form smooth creams and conditioners. We are going to be adding just a little of the Germall Plus so it won't be very harsh on our scalp. About 1/5 of the tablespoon will do. We will then proceed to slightly heat up this combination so that the emulsifying wax and the shea butter will melt. When it has completely melted, you set it aside. Since the oil I'm using is warm, I decided to heat up the aloe vera so that the temperature will be slightly the same, which will help it combine more effectively when I'm blending the both. Now it's time to blend my combo. I poured in the aloe vera first, then made a quick blend, then started pouring the oil beads bit by bit so that they will be able to combine properly and marry. So we are all done. When I was done, I couldn't wait to use it. I had to first rub it on my skin to see how it will penetrate into my scalp. And guys, just watch. It definitely did an amazing job. Just look at how it penetrated into my skin and it's even making my skin shine. Guys, you're not even ready. Look at my skin. So guys, let me show you how I use this to moisturize my natural hair.